తెలంగాణ అసెంబ్లీ సమావేశాలు లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
అందరికీ నమస్కారాలు. All the papers included in today's agenda are deemed to have been placed on the table of the House. There are some announcements. I am to announce to the House that I have nominated the following members to be on the panel of chairmen for the 4th meeting of 8th session: Sri Dharmasot Reddy Nayak, Sri Mohammad Mozam Khan, Sri Anman Sinde, Sri Manchireddy Kishan Reddy. I have to acquaint the House that on 3rd February 2023, the Governor was pleased to address the members of this House. A true copy of the address has been laid on the table of the House. I have to announce to the House that amendments to the motion of thanks to the address by the Governor will be received by the Secretary, Legislature up to 11:30 a.m. today, the 4th February 2023. All the papers are laid on the table of the House. Now I request a motion of thanks and address by the Governor. I request the Senator Venkata Veerayya to propose motion of thanks and address by the Governor.
Speaker sir, I beg to move that the address presented to the Governor as follows: that the members of Telangana Legislative Assembly assembled at this 4th meeting of 8th session are deeply grateful to the Governor for the address which she has been pleased to deliver to the members of 2nd Telangana Legislative Assembly on 3/2/2023.
Now I request Sri K.P. Vivekananda to second the motion of thanks and address by the Governor, moved by Sri Chandra Venkata Veerayya.
Speaker sir, I second the motion of thanks on address by the Governor as proposed by Sri Chandra Venkata Veerayya garu.
Chandra Venkata Veerayya garu.
అధ్యక్ష, నిన్న శాసనసభలో